After having a relaxed day at Karersee, we all were feeling recharged and energized. We all were excited to see what Dolomites are going to offer us next. Our today's plan was to explore Alpe di Siusi, Langkofel mountain and then spend a relaxed evening at Gardena Pass.
Hey guys, this is Sanket here and welcome back to another exciting video from Dolomites. So it's day number 2 in Dolomites and today we are going to visit Alpe di Siusi or Geisler Alm. It's the highest alpine meadow in Europe and it's a beautiful place. I mean, you might have seen so many pictures from this place. If you search Dolomites, then the many of the pictures that you will see are from this Geisler Alm or Alpe di Siusi. So it's 7 in the morning and we are heading towards Alpe di Siusi. So definitely I'll keep you updated and see you in the route.
To avoid crowds, we started our journey to Alpe di Siusi early in the morning. Alpe di Siusi or Geisler Alm is Europe's largest alpine meadow, known for its stunning mountain views and rolling green landscapes. Journey towards Alpe di Siusi was a mesmerizing drive with zigzag roads offering stunning views of the Dolomites. If you are planning to visit this place by car, then you can only go before 9 in the morning or after 5 in the evening, as parking gets full and then they block the road. But you also have two other options to reach at this high alpine meadow. One cable car from Siusi village and another one is cable car from Ortizai village. We decided to save cable car tickets for 5 of us and went up early by car. After some time of amazing drive, we arrived at Alpe di Siusi parking.
So currently we have reached at Alpe di Siusi and here you can find a big parking space you can see behind me. But you can only come at this point before 9 AM or after 5 PM to avoid traffic conditions. And this Alpe di Siusi meadow is huge meadow, so there is no single point like for a single thing to see here. It's a huge meadow with mountain views. So we have found one beautiful spot. I saw one Instagram post and from that post I found that location. So we are going to visit that location. So definitely I'll keep you updated and see you in the route.
Now Alpe di Siusi is a big plateau, so there are so many places where you can hike, sit and relax while watching beautiful views. We decided to walk a short 4.5 km trail towards a panoramic viewpoint of Alpe di Siusi and spend some time there.
So if you are planning to visit Alpe di Siusi by cable car, then I will suggest you to come from Ortizai side because also there is one cable car coming from Siusi side. So when you come from Ortizai side, then the viewpoint of Alpe di Siusi is nearby because from that point you will reach at that viewpoint in 10 to 20 minutes. But if you take cable car from Siusi side, then you have to walk for 4 kilometers to reach at that spot. I will add Google location of the spot. So next time when you visit this place, make sure that you visit this spot. It's a really amazing spot.
After hiking for 4.5 kilometers, we found a perfect spot to relax. This spot felt like we had stepped into a postcard. Endless green meadows stretched out in front of us with little wooden huts scattered across the landscape. Behind them, the mighty peaks of the Dolomites stood tall, adding more beauty to the scene.
So guys, you won't believe where I'm standing right now. Just look at this viewpoint from Alpe di Siusi. Just look. This is Langkofel mountain or Sasolungo. And this is Alpe di Siusi. It's the highest alpine meadow in Europe.
We all were amazed by the beauty of this place. Sitting there, surrounded by such unreal views, was one of those moments where you just feel completely in a meditative state. After spending some time there, enjoying the beauty and taking some photos and videos, we started walking back to the parking. While going back, we had the satisfaction that we saw something truly special. After reaching our parking in the mid-afternoon, we made our way to our next destination, Langkofel mountain, or also known as Sasolungo mountain, which is none other than the mountain we were looking for past hours from Alpe di Siusi. The drive to the Langkofel was stunning with so many beautiful views of the Dolomite peaks and amazing roads. Trust me, you can't take your eyes off the road in Dolomites. They are truly mesmerizing. After driving for 1 hour, we reached at Hotel Paso Sela, a base point from where you can take a small lift to the Langkofel.
So currently we are at Sela Pass or Paso Sela, and it's in Val Gardena. And from here we are going to take cable car to Sassolungo mountain. And you can see this mountain. Today morning we saw this mountain from that side, from Alpe di Siusi, and we are going to take cable car to this mountain. So this is the map of Val Gardena region and this Sasolungo mountain. So this is the mountain we saw from Alpe di Siusi from this side, and currently we are here parking. Then we'll take cable car to this point, and then from this point you can see a beautiful view of Alpe di Siusi and also nearby areas, and then again we'll take cable car to parking station. But if you want to do hike, then you can also do hike. You can come at this point and then you can come down and then you can go back to parking lot. It takes 4 hours and it's a beautiful one. But today we are running out of time, so we are taking cable car only. And just look there how this cable car looks like.
This is a small and unique chairlift, also called as Korblift or coffin-like lift, and is famous for its entry and exit.
Okay.
And this was definitely the highlight for me.
So we are going to sit in that car.
Going up in a small lift surrounded by towering peaks was definitely a one-time experience that one should not miss. As we got closer, the massive rocky face looked even more dramatic. After 10 minutes of ride, we reached at top.
So finally we are at this Val di Sasolungo. So here you can find the climbing routes on this mountain. Here. And just look. Now you can come here, and then you can see that side there is Alpe di Siusi. Today morning we were there. So you remember that today morning I said that in evening we will go towards that V shape of this Sassolungo mountain, and currently we are there. And just look at the view of Alpe di Siusi from here. Just look, guys. There it is. Nice. So Mansi is here, Gayatri, and that side there are some people doing rock climbing.
Once we reached at top, we explored the area around Langkofel. The views were absolutely breathtaking. On one side, you had endless mountain peaks, and on the other side, lush green valleys. The area was quiet, almost meditative. We spent some time just wandering around and breathing in the crisp mountain air. After collecting all the memories, we went back to the base via same cable car and headed to the next destination.
So if you are planning to visit this place by cable car, then you can search Passo Sela Resort. You can see behind me. It's one of the oldest resorts in this area. So after coming at this resort, the cable car station is just like 1 minute walk that side, and then you can go up. And currently we are going to Gardena Pass. It's one of the beautiful passes in this area. So let's see what Gardena Pass has to offer.
To wrap up the day, we drove to the Gardena Pass, a famous mountain pass that connects Val Gardena and Val Badia. This place was a pure magic during evening. The road leading to the pass were like something straight out of dream, and offering stunning views at every corner. This place is one of the 7 passes in Dolomites where every bike rider wants to go.
So currently we are at Gardena Pass and we have just parked our car. You can see here. Just look at these mountains. Let's go. So we'll go there and then we'll go up to that hill, and then from that hill you can get a beautiful view of both sides. That side also and this side also. So there is one beautiful viewpoint at Gardena Pass, and for that you have to hike for 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes depending on your speed. And you can see it's an easy one. I mean, not that difficult, but just look at this view.
As we reached at top, the evening weather was pleasant. We found a quiet spot to sit. All of us were relaxing there in silence, soaking in the moment. We all were enjoying and feeling happy for the day. It felt like a perfect ending to another incredible day. Later on, we decided to call it a day and started heading back to our hotel. We couldn't stop talking about the beauty we had witnessed today. Alpe di Siusi, Langkofel, Gardena Pass, each place was unique and equally beautiful. We will not forget those moments we spent at each location. Today's experience reminded us how important it is to take time out and connect with nature. There is a kind of peace here that's hard to describe in words, but it still stays with you long after you have left. If you are thinking today's views were amazing, wait until you see what's coming next. Tomorrow, we head to Val di Funes, where we explored some of the iconic churches in the Dolomites and hiked to a beautiful Geisler Alm. So, stay tuned and see you in the next episode. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are enjoying this series. Let us know in comments which part of the today's adventure was your favorite.